Today, we're doing something really cool. We are going to walk through, step by step, how to build your very own authentic Japanese tea room.
Whole traditional tea room built in just 1 hour? Is that even possible? Well, you're about to find out. So you'll start with the 4 thresholds that make up the frame's base. You'll take the iron pins they give you and carefully top them into the holes on each piece. Once that's done, you just lay them out on the floor, and just like that, you have the footprint of your room. Okay, let's really focus in here. It all comes down to one simple question you have to ask yourself for every single pillar. Which way is up? Sounds basic, I know, but getting this wrong can really mess things up. So, once you've got the pillars the right way up, the frame comes together really fast. You connect them to the base, drive in the pins to lock them in place. All right, now for my favorite part, the bit that really makes the structure feel like a genuine Japanese tea room, the floor. But before you lay down those beautiful tatami mats, there's another layer that goes in first. It's called the underfloor. This wooden base gives you a nice, solid surface. But more importantly, it serves a traditional purpose. It creates a little bit of space, an air gap, which is key in Japanese architecture, to help stop moisture from building up. Now, here's a little secret from the experts to get that truly authentic look. When you lay the tatami mats, don't just put them all down with the grain going the same way. The key is to rotate each mat by 90 degrees. This creates this really cool effect with light and shadow that you always see in traditional tatami rooms. We are on the home stretch, and those last pieces are the doors. First, you'll slide in the fusuma. Those are the solid, opaque sliding doors. And then you install the iconic shoji screens. You know, the ones with the translucent paper that let that soft, amazing light filter through. And just like that, you're done. Seriously, in about an hour, you've gone from a box of parts to a complete, stunning, traditional Japanese tea room right there in your own home. Seriously, in about an hour, you've gone from a box of parts to a complete, stunning, traditional Japanese tea room right there in your own home. So before we go, just stop for a second. Imagine it. Picture yourself stepping inside. The feeling of the tatami under your feet, the quietness, that soft light filtering through the shoji screens. This is more than just a room. It's your own little escape, your own quiet corner of the world.